Get ready to experience the most spectacular show to hit your town. An amazing 4D spectacular like you've never seen before. A Murarka Foundation presentation of Jayan Gandhi Productions' spectacular show, Fantasia Fantastic. Written and directed by Bharat Dabholkar. Puppets designed, executed and performed by Ramdas Padhe.
The shell chariot is here! Look, the mermaid princess is here! Huh? Where is the mermaid princess? She is not in the shell!
Voices of Bollywood superstars. Jackie Shroff.
Yes, my golden mermaid. Now very soon we will be together forever.
Juhi Chawla.
Oh, my prince. I'm so worried. What that monster has asked you to do makes me tremble with fear.
So pretty.
Shubha Khote.
These mirrors are scared of me. So they lie. See?
Javed Jafri.
That was good fun, sinking that ship. But I would have loved to eat that prince and then the monkey for dessert.
Arshad Varsi.
My name is Short Circuit. You like it? अरे टेंशन नहीं लेने का अमर है ना
Sharbani Mukherjee.
No. Not bite to eat. A bite from a TV channel.
Songs by Shankar Mahadevan and Sudesh Bhosle. Watch hundreds of underwater creatures come to life right in front of your eyes. Don't miss it.
Hey, wait. Hey, you. Hey, Pomfret. Hey, Surmai. Hey, Bombay Duck. Hey, Fish. Didn't you want to meet the mermaid princess?
Yes, I do. But she's not here.
But of course she is.
She is? Didn't you tell me that she is not here?
No.
Of course you did. Just now, didn't you?
There. That one is our mermaid princess.
Oh my god. I must rush to the surface. No. Not bite to eat. A bite from a TV channel.
TV. I want TV. क्या बात कर रही हो आप? I love TV.
So tell me, how come you're with the prince?
Actually, no. I'm his bodyguard. I know boxing. You baby, I am the fire. Kill me. Oh yeah. Then I know karate. I know. Jackie Chan, सबको मारेगा. वहाँ जाओ, boy.
I can help the two of you to be together by giving her feet.
Really?
How? Oh my God! This bhoot bangla has 8 legs. Maybe she can give 2 to our princess, huh? क्या बोलती तू? आती मेरे साथे?
Just get me the Nagmani.
The Nagmani?
हाँ, Nagmani यार. अरे कोई मद्रासी कैरेक्टर होगा? Yeah, like you know, Subramani, Nagmani, same thing.
मामू, क्या सोड है? ये तो बड़ा टॉइंग है।
This channel will keep bringing you the latest updates on these battles.
And from the jungle end comes Clothox the Dino Vulture, who is charging at the prince. The Dino Vulture comes like a bouncer and the prince ducks in time. The Dino Vulture comes as a second time to knock the prince off. The prince tries to execute a leg cut. He misses completely. The prince is trying all kinds of leg cut and off cut, but the Dino Vulture is holding his line and length and continues to attack the prince.
So this is a two-headed dragon called Durex.
अरे ओ कालिया, I mean लालिया, कितने heads हैं?
Take this and this. I'm trying, but this needs superhuman strength.
Watch hundreds of underwater creatures come to life right in front of your eyes. Don't miss it. A Murarka Foundation presentation of Jayan Gandhi Productions' spectacular show, Fantasia Fantastic.